In this video, I do a comparison between what sort of loan the RV dealership's going to give you and what sort of loan the bank or credit union will give you. Check it out if you're interested in saving some money on your next RV purchase. This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day, a super fantastic day. I'm here in Fort Worth and just relaxing in my living room, just having a quiet afternoon. In this video, I'm going to be talking about an RV loan, specifically an RV loan from a local dealership, and sort of breaking it down for you. If you're interested in buying an RV, this might be of some use to you. It can be a little bit of a use to you. Again, I'm just going to break down a loan and different options that you have. When I was living in Austin, I had two jobs. My weekend job was working at a radio station, KLBJ, a news radio station. I was the weekend anchor. I would do the news at the top of the hour and the bottom of the hour. Filling in at the time was a guy who gave financial advice. Yeah, he gave out financial advice. And he was doing obviously very well because he had a Porsche in the driveway. He's doing pretty good. So he gave financial advice and, blah, blah, blah. So I listened to him. I had to listen because he was on during when I was gathering the news, okay? He often gave this bit of advice that, hey, if you want to buy a car, pay cash. So he said, pay cash. Not all of us can afford to pay cash. Be honest with you, some of us can't, plop down that much money. If we're buying a Chevrolet truck, can we plop down that $30,000, $40,000, $50,000? Or that Mercedes, plop down that $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, $90,000, $100,000? Typically, most of us can't. What most of us do, and I'm just making a generality here, okay? Most of us do, we put down 5, 10, 15, 20%. And in some cases, 30% down, and then make payments in as short a period as possible. Okay, we're making payments. We put some skin in the game by putting a down payment, and that lowers the interest rate quite a bit for a loan. Sometimes the car dealership, if you're buying a car, will give you 0% down. Like when I got my truck, they offered me 0% down, dropped the price of the truck by about, I think it was around $13,000, and I got a truck. Okay, not too bad. Actually, it was $8,000. I wish it was $13,000. The other category is persons who are, the victims, a person who just can't afford really to buy the thing and has to put a lot down, and pays higher interest, and we don't want to talk about those persons. It's a sad story. So I was online and I checked out this one travel trailer they had at a local RV dealership. Here's my little notes. It was listed for $36,250 as a travel trailer. And that's the MSRP. Manufacturer suggested retail price, okay? Some dealerships around here have signs that say, we will give you 25% off everything on the lot. So, so don't expect to pay MSRP unless you have some issues, okay? So at a travel trailer dealership, they were going to sell this thing for $36,250 for this travel trailer, small travel trailer, and they were going to give you a $10,255 discount. That's a pretty good discount. The discounted price was going to be, what was going to be the price? $25,995. And in big type, of course, all cars and RV dealerships, they like customers that want to meet a certain payment because they can play with the numbers, inflate certain things and make their money. They love customers who are motivated by payments, okay? So this payment was going to be $187,000, that's going to be a hell of a lot, $187 a month. And in the small type it said 180 months. Wow, that's a long time. That's actually 15 years. So you're going to be paying off this $25,000, $23,000 travel trailer which MSRP was significantly higher, for 15 years. My home loan is 15 years. That's a little bit outrageous. You should always try to get a smaller period of time to make your payments, because all those payments add up a lot of interest. Okay, so if my next RV, I'm probably going to make 5-7 year loan. Okay, and I'm going to contact my bank and get about 2-3%. Okay, that's what's going to happen. So they have this 187 times 180 months equals $33,660. That's quite a bit of money as compared to the discounted price of $25,995. So that's $7,665 in interest. The banks love you. They're making some money off you for sure. So let me do a comparison, okay? Let's say, for example, I was in that RV dealership and I just got a pretty basic, RV loan. Somebody with 700, 800 credit can probably get something like this, okay? Talking to their bank or the credit union, okay? So walking into the RV dealership, you already have been approved by your bank. So you got a 7-year loan for $25,995. So that's going to be the loan amount plus TTNL, of course. So you're going to put down $6,000. You got to have some skin in the game, like it or not. That's how you get the better deals. You put some money down. You put $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 if you have it lying around. Why not? But let's just say $6,000. That's relatively reasonable for some middle-class folks out there. So that's my little spiel today. Do you want to save money on an RV loan? Just don't walk into that RV loan, RV dealership and say, "Can you give me a loan?" That's hilarious. Don't do that. Be smart in that. Talk to your bank. Talk to your credit union. If you don't have a bank or credit union, get a bank or credit union. Wait a year. Get some money in the bank. Get some, history with the bank, and then ask for a loan. Can I borrow some money from you? And they say, yeah, go for it. Go for it, Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza, go for it. So that's a difference in an RV loan from what the dealership's going to offer you. That's a long time. You're upside down on this loan. Once, about a year from now, you're going to be super upside down. They're going to go, man, you owe a hell of a lot on this loan, don't you? And you go, yeah, I do, but I plan to keep it for 15 years. Most people keep their RVs for 5, 6, 7 years. Are you going to keep it for 15? No, you're going to be upside down when you trade it in. And when you go to that dealership, back to that dealership, and that friendly, super nice salesman with an absolute fabulous grin is going to go, that thing's worth, as a trade-in, $12,000, and you owe $20,000. If you put down, we can roll in what you owe on that one into the next loan and screw you some more if you really want, okay? I used to work back when I was in college at a Porsche Mercedes dealership in Santa Clara Valley, Silicon Valley. And I saw people roll in. It was pretty sad sometimes. But some people had cash. They plop it down. Some people have money. Some people don't. Some people have good, good credit. Some people, sadly, just don't, okay? So this is my spiel for the day. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and ring the itty bitty bell right here so you get future notifications of my meandering videos, okay? I do photography and I do travel, and once in a great while I do RV reviews, and of course I love doing these opinion pieces. I like giving my opinion, okay? Yeah, it's the sad truth. From Fort Worth, Texas, gracias, adios, bye-bye.